Hi everyone, this video is going to show you something new that I saw pop up on YouTube. Now, I didn't pay anything extra for this. It did show up, and it doesn't show up for every video, but you're going to notice that when you get into YouTube, you're going to see a little ask button when you search for something. I haven't seen it pop up many times, but it's a methodology that's been implemented slowly for YouTube for you to ask AI about a particular video. So for instance, this AI master guy I follow on YouTube is great, and I have one of his videos that I'm showing about 7 game-changing ChatGPT agents, blah, 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 blah. So anyway, it exists there, and what you're going to do is actually when you're in the video, you can actually play it and then ask it as you do this. So when you're asking about it, you should be able to ask, it'll actually start prompting you just like you typically see in any sort of AI chatbot, if you will. So it does give you the ability to actually summarize the video if you want to be able to summarize the video, ask a particular question about the video. It will give you timestamps, if you will, on when things do pop up in it. So it's actually a kind of cool learning enabled methodology as we evolve in the AI space. We're starting to see it in how we entertain ourselves or learn through YouTube. So something you can see. I don't know how it pops up per se, because I've seen some videos where it doesn't exist and some videos that it does exist. And it's not specific to a learning app or learning video. It just shows up for anything that when it pops up in YouTube. So I'm seeing this kind of rolling out a little bit, so it's something you might want to check out. It might be efficient when it comes to looking up a video, being able to learn from the video faster as opposed to watching the entire thing. Pretty neat.